Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. Yeah, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. I mean, every skincare brand has got different range. You know, they have the treatment range, they have the all skin type range, and the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range is quite popular. Yeah, it has got a really good following on the internet and in social media. So this is my first time trying out the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. And my first product is this eye cream here. So I'm going to take some out to show you. So inside the box, this is what it looks like. It's a little tube. So this is the eye cream. It's very soft. Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful, soft eye cream. I really don't like eye cream that's too heavy. The skin around our eyes is some of the most delicate, fragile, and the thinnest. And so if you put in a heavy cream around your eyes, it can pull the skin down. And sometimes a cream that is too heavy can actually cause irritation. This cream is absolutely beautiful. It's very soft, gets absorbed really quickly, so it doesn't just sit on top of your eyes. Yeah, I would call this a very, very soft eye cream, almost close to a serum, because it's got a much more watery texture. And I really like this eye cream. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair has got retinol. Yeah, and that's why it's so powerful. We all know that retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging, because retinol can do so many things for your skin. It can help with pigmentation, it can exfoliate, it can generate collagen production, it can remove wrinkles and fine lines. Yeah, retinol is that powerful, but it's also very potent. It can cause irritation. So this product here contains a 0.02% retinol, which means it's on the low strength, which is great because for the eye area, it's my personal opinion, it's just better to use a low strength retinol. If you use a very high strength retinol for the eye area, it can cause a bit of irritation. I have used quite slightly higher strength retinol serum around my eyes, and I could feel the burning. Yeah, that burning sensation around my eyes, and sometimes it can cause a bit of redness. So for the eyes, you want to use low strength vitamin C, retinol, or niacinamide. So the ingredients, you have your retinol at 0.02%. You have your usual Dimeticone, Glycerine. It's got hyaluronic acid, which is fantastic because it would help to draw moisture. It also contains a glucose complex that is supposed to help with skin surface. Anything that has got glucose on it is a bit like an exfoliant. It can help to smoothen the surface of your skin. I really, really like this eye cream. There are a couple of things why I like this eye cream. Number one, I can actually see the crow's feet or the fine lines around my eyes reduce, or I'm not getting any more. It's just put a break on more fine lines and wrinkles being formed around my eye area here. And number two, it has got your retinol. Yeah, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. Yeah, this product is well formulated. Doesn't cause any irritation, sits nicely. And thirdly, this is such a well-priced product. Neutrogena is available at the Chemist Warehouse here in New Zealand. It has got the full range of all the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. And this product here for 14 mils, $36.50 New Zealand dollars from the Chemist Warehouse. I mean, for such a superior eye cream at $36.50, you really can't go wrong. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.